Welcome to the DefCam. The news of the planned upgrade for Pakistan's F-16 fleet has created unease across India, and the reason is obvious. For the first time in many years, Pakistan is preparing to raise the capability of its most dependable combat aircraft to a level that ensures relevance, reliability, and operational value deep into the next 2 decades. It is not just a routine maintenance package. It is a complete restoration of the fleet's combat architecture with modern data links, secure communications, integrated mission planning, and a rebuilt electronic backbone. When one looks at it as a continuous chain rather than scattered components, the scale of the transformation becomes clear. Pakistan is securing a capability that India always hoped would gradually fade with age, but instead these jets are being structurally prepared to remain effective until at least 2040. The proposed package approved by the United States includes systems that will shape the next phase of Pakistan's air operations. The request covers 92 units of the Link 16 tactical data link system that will form the core of real-time information exchange between aircraft, ground stations, and command centers. The system allows aircraft to share radar pictures, targeting data, and situational updates in a way that makes a formation act as one coherent unit instead of separate aircraft. South Asian air combat is heavily influenced by electronic awareness, and this upgrade places Pakistan far ahead of where its existing fleet stood. The inclusion of 6 inert 500-pound bomb bodies may seem minor, but they play an important role in training and certification for safe release profiles and integration testing. The larger part of the package is focused on the internal architecture of the aircraft. The operational flight program will receive modifications that improve computer processing, support new weapon codes, and meet mandatory avionics standards set by the United States. These modifications ensure that the Pakistan fleet remains compatible with new mission planning and diagnostic systems used by allied forces. The updated identification friend or foe system, based on the APX-126 model, gives the aircraft faster and more secure authentication during complex aerial environments. The cryptographic appliques such as the KY-58M and KIV-78 introduce stronger secure communication layers that improve the reliability of encrypted voice and data channels. The aircraft will also receive simple key loaders for rapid and safe transfer of encryption keys. Precision navigation equipment, upgraded secure radios, and new cryptographic processors form a network that strengthens the aircraft's immunity against modern electronic interference. The package also includes complete support for joint mission planning, which allows pilots to prepare routes, threat models, weapon profiles, and terrain data on ground systems that can then be uploaded into the aircraft mission computers. This improves coordination between different aircraft types and ensures that every pilot enters the cockpit with the same information environment. One of the most significant items is the common munitions built in test reprogramming equipment. This system allows Pakistan to test and reprogram weapon interfaces without relying on external facilities. The ADU-981 missile adapter units and additional weapon integration tools give the fleet more flexibility for future weapon additions. The inclusion of spare parts and repair support indicates that the entire upgrade is designed for long-term sustainability rather than a short-lived improvement cycle. Support extends beyond hardware. Pakistan will receive training for pilots, engineers, and technicians. A full-motion simulator will help maintain flight skills without stressing the airframes. Technical documentation and software delivery support ensure that Pakistan can independently operate and manage the new systems. The agreement includes engineering, technical, and logistic services from American contractors to guarantee proper installation and long-term reliability. For Pakistan, the value of the upgrade lies not in symbolic prestige, but in the practical reality of modern air warfare. As India expands its inventory with new platforms and increases the density of its radar and missile network, Pakistan needs aircraft that can penetrate, survive, and deliver while remaining connected to a larger information grid. The F-16 has always been the aircraft that carries Pakistan's most sensitive missions, and these updates extend its structural and electronic life to continue doing so well into the future. The deal also aligns with the strategic need of the United States to retain interoperability with Pakistan in counterterrorism and future contingency operations. Pakistan's participation in multinational exercises and operational coordination has shown the value of shared platforms. By modernizing the fleet, the United States ensures that Pakistan remains aligned with systems used by American and partner air forces. The United States recognizes that Pakistan still fields a disciplined and trained force that absorbs technology effectively and maintains its fleet at professional standards. India views this development with concern because the F-16 has historically been a challenge for Indian pilots. The aircraft's radar, weapons, and maneuvering qualities have repeatedly proven effective in the region. With these upgrades, Pakistan restores every aspect of the fleet to a standard that allows it to operate confidently against present and emerging threats. The improvements do not shift the balance of power in an exaggerated way as some Indian statements claim. Yet India clearly understands that its plans to outpace Pakistan through rapid modernization become harder when Pakistan's legacy fleets are modernized rather than retired. Lockheed Martin will serve as the main contractor for the upgrade. The United States government has not indicated any offset arrangement, and any such agreement would be negotiated directly between Pakistan and the company. The implementation does not require additional American government personnel in Pakistan, which shows the maturity of the partnership and Pakistan's established capability to manage sophisticated systems with its own workforce. The United States has confirmed that the sale does not affect its defense readiness. For Pakistan, the decision represents a long-term investment in a capability that has repeatedly proven its worth. The aircraft will emerge with extended service life, improved electronics, stronger identification systems, more reliable communication, and enhanced mission planning tools. This ensures that the fleet continues to serve as a core part of Pakistan's defensive and offensive planning. It also demonstrates Pakistan's intent to maintain a technologically credible force while preparing for an era where information sharing, rapid electronic response, and secure communication will define the outcome of any conflict. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for upcoming videos.